guys, welcome back to our channel. It's good to have you again. I'm Rachel and I'm Timmy Elijah, and this is Timmy TV. Timmy TV is all about skincare product formulation, skincare product review, career matter, and hair care. Alright, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make your Molato soap for super whitening effect. This soap is very effective for skin whitening, so if you don't want to whiten your skin, then this video is not for you. I will share with you the ingredient and then we'll go straight to the making of the soap. For this soap, I'll be making use of my extract whitening papaya soap. I'll be making use of Asante soap, lightning carrot papaya soap, K Brothers papaya soap. This is the K Brothers soap. This is a lightning carrot and papaya soap. This is the Asante soap, papaya and honey soap. Then our extract. So our extract, let me try to open this. This is our extract soap. And then we'll have our Skin Perfector serum. We'll be making use of this serum. We'll be making use of our Kojic dip. We'll also be making use of our Snow White powder, our Giga White powder, our anti-pimple ball, just 3. And then we also have our lactic acid, glycolic acid, vitamin E, glycerin, and our preservative. You also need shea butter. We're using shea butter in this as well. And then my half cast body wash. This will serve as my soap activator. This is Timmy Skin Glow half cast body wash. Remember, you can order your skincare product from Timmy Skin Glow. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. You can chat us up via the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. Okay, now I'm gonna grate this soap. Oh, sorry, I forgot. We also have our nano extra white soap. Let me open this for you to see. We also have our nano extra white soap, and then our extract papaya nano. We have 5 soap here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just gonna grate them and then I'll come back for the production. And grated soap. This is our anti-pimples ball, this green one. Remember, I added just 3. So the next thing we'll do is pour this in a bowl. Pour it in a bowl. And then we'll add our shea butter, 1 teaspoon shea butter. That's our shea butter. And then our 7-day Skin Perfector serum. 7-day Skin Perfector serum. I'm gonna add 10 ml. 10 ml of this. And then our kojic dip, dissolved kojic dip, dissolved giga white powder and snow white powder, that's it. And then we're gonna add vitamin E oil, next thing we're gonna add is our glycolic acid, 3 ml of glycolic acid. This is gonna help for exfoliation. This is 3 ml. And then our lactic acid, we're going to add 3 ml as well. This is it, 3 ml. Nothing more, nothing less. We're also going to add vegetable glycerin. 5 ml will do. Stir everything together, mix thoroughly. And then we're going to add our, at this stage you can add water, you can add any fruit extract to it, but I will be adding my half cask body wash as my soap activator. If you must use water, remember it has to be distilled water. I'll be using our Timic Skin Glow half cask body wash. If you're using water, just pour it till it cover the surface, okay? You can use any good whitening soap, any good whitening shower gel of your choice. Just pour it to the cover. Okay, that's it. And then you leave it for 2 days, 48 hours. We're going to cover the soap for 48 hours. And after 48 hours, I'll show you what it will have our Molato soap turn out to be. Alright. Hello guys. So after covering our soap for 2 days, this is how it looks like now. It's so thick. Next thing I'm going to do is just mix everything. Just mix everything very well. Don't forget to use with you can use your mixer or your stick blender for this, okay? Just mix everything till you get that smooth consistency. So this is it. Our Molato soap is ready. Remember I said this soap is for super whitening, super whitening effect. All you have to do is wet your body, make sure your body's wet, then rub the soap all over your body, your knuckles, everywhere. your knee, focus on dark areas, you know, and then leave it to sit for 5 minutes, 5 to 8 minutes before you shower. Hope you find this video interesting. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.